Class 7 Mathematics Operations on Algebraic Expressions. Exercise 9.2. I am R.S. Basad. Today I will explain this exercise. Now let us see what is the rules of this exercise. So first rule of this one, we add or subtract group of like terms. Always remember it is like terms. So like terms in an algebraic expressions. Now in the subtraction of expressions, the terms to be subtracted are added to the rest after changing their respective signs. Now third one is, it is the second and the third one, in the multiplication of algebraic expressions, we multiply the terms in the expressions with integers first and then the term and that have variables. So let us see how can apply these rules in the questions. So let us see in the question what will be question. So you can see here it is a question. If the length of rectangle is p centimeter and breadth is q centimeter, what will be the area of the rectangle? As you know, the figure is how can draw this one. So this is your rectangle. You have to see this one is your rectangle and that one is your length. So you have to write here the length of rectangle is p. So length is given as p. It is length. Yes, that one is length here. It is the length p. It is given as p. So that is the length. And it is p. And it is breadth. And that is given as a q centimeter. It is q centimeter. It is p centimeter. So what will be the area? So first of all you have to write area of rectangle. It is equal to length into breadth. So length is given as p, it is p centimeter, and breadth is given as q centimeter. So you have to write here p, length is p and breadth is q. So that is the pq centimeter square. So that is your answer. First you have to write here length. Length is p centimeters. So you have to write p centimeter and breadth it is q centimeters. Then you can apply the formula and get the answer. It's very easy. So you have see in this question. Let us see the example 5. Multiply the expression with minus 5a with this one. So how can multiply minus 5a with it is 6b plus 3c. How can multiply this one? Let us see. It is minus 5a into 6b and here is plus minus 5a into 3c. So what will be happen? 6 5 the 30. So 30ab and here is minus 3 5 the 15. 15 of ac. So that one is your answer. Let us see the next one. In your next question what will be happen? So you have to see multiply 4b by this one. So it is 4b multiplied to this 7b minus 3 of c. So how can multiply? It is 4b into 7b and minus, here is minus, so we can say it is 4b into 3c. So what will be happen? 4 7 ja 28. 28b square, because b and b into b, that is the b square, minus 4 3 ja, that is the 12bc. So that is your answer. It's very happy. So you can see that answer is very good. Now the example 7. Multiply this with 4a. So how can multiply this one? So you have to write 4a into it is minus of 5x and plus of y. So what will be happen in this? 4a multiplied to minus 5x and plus 4a multiplied to y only. So it becomes minus 5 4 ja, that is the 20, and here is a and x, plus it is the 4ay. So that is your answer. Let us see in your next question. That is the exercise 9.2. How can fill the exercise? It's the fill in the blanks. The question is here. So first of all, you have to see here 2x plus 3y multiply by 2z. So 2z multiply this 2x. So this one is given here. And 2z is multiplied to this one 3y. So it is given here. 3y multiplied 2z. So you have to write here 2z. Correct. So that is the answer. So you have to write like this. It is the a multiplied to 12x plus xy. So what will be happen? First a is multiplied to this one, that is the a into 12x, and a is multiplied to xy, so a into xy. So what will be happen? It is 12ax. So you have to write here 12ax and plus axy. This one is axy. Now let us see here. Third one is, it is given as 3x square y. It is 3x square y. So what will be happen? 3x square y. Let us see. It is 3. Not it is. Let us see in this question. It is the 3xy multiply by x. So we get 3x square y. It is given here. So you have to see. Let us see what will be happen in this. So 3xy multiplied to this one. So you can say x into 3xy, and here is plus. It is x into minus 1 by 2 of z. So that one is your fill in the blanks. Let us see in your fourth question. It is the 5 by 2 m, which is multiply this one. So you have to write 5 by 2 m into p square, and here is minus 6n and p square. So what will be happen? It is, you have to write 5 by 2 m p square, and here is minus, it is 6 n p square. So that is your answer. Let us see what happen in this. So multiply by y square. So we get minus 3x square y into y square, and here is 2z into y square. So what will be happen? It is 3x square y to the power 3, and here is 2zy square. So that is your answer. Now come to this one. It is minus z cube. So minus z cube multiplied to 5x. So you can write here 5x. Now let us see in last is 5x z cube. Here is 5x z cube. So it is written here. And now minus 7y square z cube. So you can write minus 7y square z cube. So these are the answer of your questions. Let us see. Solve the following. How can solve this one? The first question is x, y and 7 plus 8 of x. So how can do this? 7xy multiplied to this xy. So how can say? It is xy into 7 plus xy into 8x. So what will be happen? So you can say it is the 7xy, and here is 8x square y. So that one is your answer. Let us see here. It is 2t square. So it is 3r square multiplied to 2t square minus 5s multiplied to 2t square. Let us see. 3 2 ja 6 r square t square minus here 5 2 ja 10 s t square. So that one is your answer. Let us see the next one. It is the third part of this question. First you have to write here 1 by 2 m, and here is m cube plus 3 by 2 of n. Let us multiply in this. So 1 by 2 m multiplied to m cube, and plus 1 by 2 m multiplied to 3 by 2 of n. So it becomes 1 by 2 m to the power 4 plus it is 3 by 4 3 1 ja 3 and 2 2 ja 4. 3 by 4 m into n. So that one is your answer. Let us see in this question. In this question, mst is multiplied to r cube minus mst multiplied to st. So what will be happen? It will be mst r cube minus, it is cube, and here is ms square and t square. So that one is your answer. Let us see the last of this part. So that one is 4 by 3 of a, it is multiplied to b square plus 1 by 2 of c. So you can multiply 4 by 3 of a multiplied to 2b square. Let us see. So 4 by 3 of a multiplied to 1 by 2 c, this 1 by 2 c. Let us see here, 4 to the 8, so we can write 8 upon 3, and here is a and b square, and here is 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So you have to write 2 by 3, and here is ac. So that one is your answer. It is the end of your exercise. So you have to do in your copy. और इसके नीचे एक ये लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई देगा सब्सक्राइब का, इसको आप लोग दबा के सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को ये बटन दबा के शेयर करेंगे जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे. इसी के साथ मैं RS प्रसाद सर आज एक्सरसाइज को क्लोज करता हूँ. मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट समय पर इन्हीं सब वीडियो को